Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to introduce to you our brand new release of Produmex WMS 2025.6. In this version we refactored our cycle count method with some exciting new features. We are introducing the Stock Count Data Audit and Recount flow. The new Stock Count Data Audit setting boosts inventory accuracy, enhances auditability, and the implementation of the Recount flow that brings a great opportunity to easily recount stock. Also, our team has enhanced the existing customization framework by adding further methods. As always, we've also dedicated significant effort to thorough bug fixing. Let's see all these in detail. The Stock Count Data Audit feature is designed to enhance inventory accuracy and auditability by maintaining a detailed history of stock count activities. We've added a new setting to the organization structure window called Activate Stock Count Audit. When enabled, this setting tracks steps of the counting process, from start to finish. Let's talk about functionality. This feature is compatible with Cycle Count Flow and the new Recount flow. And the lost and found and registration count types are also supported. The Stock Count Data Audit is compatible with all kind of configurations like jobs with or without tasks, counts with difference or no difference. Important note, the Stock Count Data Audit does not apply to direct Cycle Count Flow. With this feature, you get full traceability. Every stock count is logged, even when no variances are found. It tracks who performed the count, when it was done, and the quantities recorded and improved visibility into your inventory processes as well. As extra information, a new mandatory job name field was added in the Select Locations to Count window. This useful addition allows you to assign a shared name to your cycle count tasks, making the organization a breeze. By default, if you don't fill the job name field, a default value for the field will be automatically generated using the following information: the username, year, month, day, hour, minutes, and seconds. Let's see the next agenda. The next point from our highlights is the Recount flow. We're thrilled to introduce the Recount flow feature, a new type of cycle count job designed to recount single or multiple lines within a previously counted location. It's important to note that multiple stock lines can be recounted during a recount task. Let's see the functionality. The Recount flow is utilized when you want to verify the accuracy of your initial count or when you identify a discrepancy in the counting process. Important note, the Recount flow is only compatible with the registration cycle count type. It is easier to differentiate between counted or uncounted stock lines, and you can easily modify the amount on one item on location. Improved inventory accuracy. By enabling easy recounts, inventory data becomes more accurate, which reduces losses, picking errors, and issues in sales and distribution operations. Error correction. The feature allows for validation and correction of quantities without counting the whole location again. Let's check the UI changes. Several changes brought about by the newly added Recount flow feature. The feature is based on non-blind counting. We've made some UI changes to the processing cycle count form to enhance the feature. We have introduced new columns. First, the difference column. The quantity column has been renamed to differences. System column. This column displays the system quantity. Last count column. This column shows the current quantity. If the mouse cursor is moved to the cell in the last count column of the specified row, the history of the recounts becomes visible. Status column. This shows the statuses of the count task. The value is based on the process of the recount task. Let's see changes of the mobile client. The feature can be accessed on the following path: logistics, inventory, cycle count, and then recount task. Then select the zone and pick the needed recount task. Do the recount and enter the quantity. Important note: during the Recount flow you can only enter the number of items. If a recount has been done, the lines will remain on the screen but will be distinguished by color. The system will show the already counted lines in a distinct color and display the quantities that were entered. View the difference stock screen. With arrows you can easily spot inaccuracies. In case the difference is positive, the handheld version will show a blue arrow pointing upward. In case the difference is negative, the handheld version will show a red arrow pointing downwards and add a minus sign before the quantity. Let's see the next agenda. The Extended Customization Framework feature now allows you to validate inserted values on the forward click. This ensures that every step is accurate and reliable, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Use a custom query in the mobile client within the Customization Framework solution to validate inserted values as you move forward in the flow. Reduction in errors. This minimizes common mistakes such as invalid item codes, incorrect quantities, or mismatched stock locations. Operational efficiency. By preventing errors during input, the feature eliminates the need for follow-up validations or manual corrections, speeding up warehouse processes like stock picking, receiving, and inventory adjustments. Let's see the functionality. Add your own business logic using the new feature. When the forward button is pressed, the validation user query is activated and executed. The Extended Customization Framework now includes new event types like list data load and validation on next. If the query returns a validation error result column, the next button execution is stopped. The Extended Customization Framework now enables filtering and/or sorting of displayed data in the mobile client with customization. Reduction in errors. You can customize displayed data through dynamic filtering and sorting, ensuring that only the most relevant stock, batches, or locations appear. This eliminates clutter and speeds up decision-making. Flexible and configurable to business needs, this feature leverages queries within the customization framework, allowing you to adapt the display logic to your unique requirements. Let's see the functionality. On Select from a List screens, you can now apply custom business logic to truncate or sort lists either before displaying them or immediately after. A new Next Event field has been added to the customization window to manage user query names effectively. This slide contains some useful links and information on our brand new release. You can stay up to date by visiting the following sites for Produmex WMS related news and articles. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2025.9 to be released at the end of September 2025. Thank you very much for your attention. This concludes our introduction to the 2025.6 version of Produmex WMS. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.